Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord battery. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative terminal first. Wear gloves and safety glasses, then remove the hold-down clamp and lift the old battery straight up. Clean terminals and tray, apply anti-corrosion grease, position the new battery with correct orientation, tighten connections, and test electrical systems before closing the hood. In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord battery. Start by removing jewelry and securing long hair, then put on gloves and safety glasses. Open the hood fully and prop it securely so nothing falls on you while you work. Keep a baking soda solution nearby for neutralizing spills and never smoke while handling the battery. Work methodically, label cables if needed, and follow manufacturer torque specs for a safe install. In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord battery. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep simple, keep lunches tidy on the driveway, and prevent spills into your trunk when transporting a new battery. They stack well and seal tightly, saving time between steps. If you want the exact product and current deals, check the description for the link. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord battery. After disconnecting cables and removing the old battery, inspect the tray for corrosion and clean it thoroughly. Position the new battery so terminals face the correct direction, secure the hold-down clamp evenly, and reconnect terminals with the correct sequence and torque. Start the engine to check charging and electrical functions, reset clocks and radio codes if needed, and dispose of the old battery at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.